This is the chair that I use to work and go outside in the back or whatever I need to do in the dirt. And it's a powerful chair. I used it for a good while now. And however, while I was moving right here on the concrete, I heard a round pop, loud pop, and the chair stopped. And it wouldn't move anymore. But I have also this chair that was left outside in the rain, and it ended up that this wheel, the motor that controls this wheel, is not working anymore. So I'm gonna try to replace that motor because I had previously the exact identical chair uh, that I used, and now it's dismantled. I used for parts. So I'm gonna try to pull the motor out of it, put it here, and see if it works. So that part that I need to pull out and pull the motor out of it, it's sitting here. So I'm gonna try to chain it, pull it out, bring it, and hang it on the hoist here, and try to see if I can pull the motor out. So here is the base. So this is the motor that I believe I need to take off. It's the right one. Uh, so this is the one. This is the right motor. So I believe that was the one that was not making noise. Take it off, clean it, and put it on the other chair and see if it works. So first, I'm gonna put this chair on the free mode so I can push it. I bring it under the hoist and try to strap it and lift it up. I'm gonna bring chains and try to lift the chair up. this is a motor that I took from the other chair. I brought it here, and the plug for the motor on this side is in the back on the bottom. It's a very tight spot. Right here. So I need to take off these zip ties so I can unhook it, hook this, and test it before I do all the work. When I hook this motor to the plug and turn the chair on, none of the wheels worked. So I hooked the one that's already on the chair and turn back on. So the left wheel is still working, this wheel is not working. So this has to be on, I believe, to be tested. So I probably will have to do the whole replacement and then see if it works or not. Maybe the ground is through the connection with the chassis, most likely. So that's why it didn't work. Now I'm going to take this off. In order to remove this wheel, I need to lift it, like jack it up or something. I'm going to put scrap wood underneath the chassis so it will lift the wheel. But before I lift it, I need to just loosen the knot. This is 3/4 socket. Loosen it, and now I'm going to bring some piece of metal to raise it. Here we go. So now finally I took the wheel out, and that was quite a process. Took some time. I'm gonna try to take that motor out and put the other motor in and see if it does actually work. I'm having very little hope in this. Plug it. Feds in. And the nut. Put this back after. Let's do this here. Bring it. Yep, I'm right. It goes this way. Now, lift it. What it's hitting. Something has to fall. Oh, that works. It's a washer. Dropping the washer. Okay. Huh. My fingers are too big to fit in this hole. Hold on. I'm putting this. Ah. So as expected, I put the other motor in from the other chair that I have it for parts, and it didn't work. So when I uh, press the joystick, this doesn't turn. The other wheel it turns, but this one doesn't. Uh, so at this point, at this point, I am probably out of luck on fixing any of these two chairs. I am in the market shopping, but for now, I'm gonna take the batteries out because these are good batteries, and the rest will go to scrap metal guy will come and pick them up. But the batteries in this one and the batteries on the other one are good batteries, and even if I don't use them for the future chairs, I can just sell them to somebody who needs them and save some money from the money I'm going to pay for the one I'm going to buy. Or sometimes you find a wheelchair for sale uh, that needs batteries. So in this case, if those batteries matches, it will be a good deal for me to do, which there is few of them like that. But I will be buying a new chair very soon. So I went ahead and I purchased this chair. It's a little bit wide than what I need, but obviously this is for heavyweight person, and it will have a lot more powerful motors. It's working great. The seller told me the batteries are 3 months old. So, and it's a Jazzy 614. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and God bless you.